Hi, just a little update on my video from last week, which was about Scandinavian fix, which is campaign 220027. Now, I've had lots of feedback on the comments. I've had no negative feedback on the comments saying it hasn't worked. So I've had 7 confirmed that remote preheating works, both plugged in and unplugged. They're from countries from Finland, Norway, Denmark, Sweden and Germany. I also put a little poll up on my YouTube channel, which would have been 15 votes. I've got 80% have received the update and say it's working perfectly, and 20% say not. But I'm not sure if they're thinking it's the previous HVAC software update, which has to be carried out at the workshop, or the new one. But it seems pretty hopeful to me that this is now fixed, and hopefully Kia UK and the rest of the world can hurry up and roll it out.